What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 tips to affiliate marketing success in 2019. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Happy to have you here. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give this video some love. And I can guarantee you by the end of this video, you're going to have 5 tips to affiliate marketing success in 2019. For my regulars, happy to have you here and welcome back. So if you're brand new, I always want to know, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, all right? Because on this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and just better ways of becoming an entrepreneur, all right? So I'm not going to waste too much of your time today. I'm just going to dive straight into things. So I wrote some stuff down because I don't want to forget, but I'm going to go with the slideshow, all right? So the first thing you want to start off with, right? You want to make sure that you check out, audit what you did in 2018. That's the perfect way, because if you don't have the data and the analysis of tracking what you did in 2018, how are you going to, get to success with your business in 2019? So you have to look back. So a perfect example, right, is what exactly did you do, right? Why did you do it? And if so, like, did it work out as you expected, right? So what if you could, change and roll back the clock a little bit, right? So you want to go into your analytics data and compare December against the same period prior to the year, right? So you might see some trends, right, that aren't like obvious, like if you should compare like November and December, right? So what can you work on? If you look at your marketing, is it Facebook marketing you were doing? Is it Instagram? Is it YouTube, right? Look and see what you could do, and then you can consider that in 2019, all right? So that was the first tip. The second tip that you want to do is explore your messaging, right? So you want to explore your messaging and basically have your marketing messages work, right? Are you using storytelling techniques? A lot of people are skipping over the storytelling technique, and that's like one of the biggest things, right? Sharing your story, tell it to people, because there's other people out there who can connect with you and who would say, well, I like this person's story. I like, where they are. You don't have to have some sad story, be like, okay, you were broke with $50 here and there, but your story is your story. Share it with the world, all right? And then, just improve it. So improvements in your messaging, right, can take you from the kind of worked to the wow, if you guys don't know that by now. So improve your storytelling messaging, your messaging technique, and could be your big goal for 2019. I'm telling you, that's what got me from where I was to where I'm at today. Start sharing your story, all right? The next thing is number 3. Number 3 of the 5 tips of affiliate marketing success in 2019, right? Consider doing more video. If you're afraid of the video, if you don't want to be on camera, that's totally okay. But you can do videos without you being on the camera. But if you guys want different results, you got to step out of your comfort zone. I'm not saying, okay, go and just jump on the camera and just do videos right now. I'm not saying that, right? It's okay if you don't want to do videos. But if it's not video, maybe it's Facebook marketing, maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's blogging, right? Consider doing more of that. Be consistent, right? Because our industry is always moving forward, to the future. And video is one of them. And that's like the center of marketing, believe it or not. So if you want to create a video and be behind the camera, feel free to do that, because people are more up to watch a short video than to read like a long text. Believe it or not, people watch like a quick minute video instead of like reading a text. And it's normal. And you can even do like short form of telling your stories in videos. And don't forget this platform that you're watching this on right now, YouTube, right? Don't forget YouTube. And step number 4 for 5 tips of affiliate marketing success in 2019. Which social media platform have you overlooked, right? Did you go all in Facebook? Did you go in all in on Instagram? Did you go all in on Twitter? Look and see what you've done and work on what you can moving forward. So have you ignored Twitter? Have you ignored LinkedIn, right? Did you even take a look at Pinterest and see, okay, do I need to work on Pinterest, right? So with Facebook becoming more crowded, right, for marketers, because it's becoming crowded, it might be time for you to like explore some more alternatives, so start to consider, things that you haven't looked at, like Twitter, right? LinkedIn. Most people say, well, you got to be on this and you got to be on that, right? Listen, you could be on Twitter, you can crush it. You don't need to show your face. I'm just saying, use other social media platforms. What about Reddit? What about Quora, right? These are different platforms that you can use. What about FutureNet? Future Ad Pro. And the number 5 is talk about your concerns and your plans with other marketers, right? So if you're in like a community of other like-minded people, if there's other people sharing their ideas and all that kind of stuff, right? The best gem is always come from interacting with other peers. You got to step out of your comfort zone. It's okay to ask questions. It's not stupid questions. So if you're in a Facebook group or in an enclosed group, ask questions. It's okay. If you're on a YouTube channel, I know most people on YouTube, especially like the big marketers, they don't answer a lot of questions because they get so many questions with the same questions people keep asking over and over again. So sometimes if you dig through, you can find the answers in the same Facebook group that you're in, on a YouTube channel. Maybe I'm not on that specific video, but it will be there, right? And maybe with the right conversation could help you like boost some great ideas. So I hope that helps. And those are quick 5 tips to affiliate marketing success in 2019. So I hope those 5 tips help. And if you guys like this video, share, like, comment, and let me know what you guys think. All right. My name is Andre. Have a great day, guys. And we'll talk to you soon. Peace.